One day in the park. Betty goes to the park with her dog, Bobo. Betty is happy. Today is sunny. Today is sunnier than yesterday. Bobo is a small dog, but today he feels bigger than a lion. He runs fast and jumps on the grass. Betty is slower than Bobo. Wait! Bobo! She shouts, but Bobo does not stop. Bobo sees a small squirrel. It is smaller than Bobo. Bobo barks, but the squirrel smiles and eats its nut. Suddenly, Betty sees her friend Rita. Rita is taller than Betty. This is my dog. His name is Rex, Rita says. Is this your dog? Rita asks. Rex and Bobo are their dogs. Rex is bigger than Bobo and faster too. Bobo sees Rex and hides behind a tree. I am smaller than Rex, he says. Betty and Rita laugh and drink their lemonade. This is our park. Rex barks, Bobo sleeps, and the day is better than any day before. Thank you. For more stories, please subscribe.